Hi there, it's Mark, successonthefly.com on the World Wide Web. I have a very quick learn out loud video. I want to share something with you that may not have been on your radar on how to reduce your forms and your shopping cart abandonments using chatbots. Now, this is a test page on my website. I'll share a link below here, and I need you to participate in this experiment. And what we're going to start doing is filling in a name, so typical form. This is not unlike many even long lead generation forms. The same thing, of course, could apply to shopping carts, where you have people that would abandon the cart experience before checkout, which is a terrible thing to do, certainly from your bottom line point of view. So I'm just going to type in my name. Okay, it can be any name. This is just a test form here, and don't complete it. And step 2, as it suggests here, is tap on the menu above, which is the triple white lines. So now I'm going to do that, and just now watch the magic happen. Okay, so I'm going to tap here, and I'll just tap on a menu item. Okay, now watch this. Uh-oh, giving up so soon? Having trouble? Want us to call you to help? See what just happened? I just got notified that I didn't complete the form. Now the same thing could happen for the abandoned shopping cart. Uh-oh, you giving up so soon? Your cart's half full. I mean, how cool is this? People get busy, and there's nothing wrong with giving them a gentle nudge. So in this case, I've given 3 options. Yes, please, so I'd like a call. No thanks, or take me back. Okay, so the person got busy, and we're just going to take them back to the form that they were working on, which is, the form that is here. So let's do this one more time, okay? I hope you're starting to get excited about what you're seeing here. Let's do this again, okay? So I just typed in my name, and we'll just go up to the menu, and okay, so we have not completed the form, and it again could be a shopping cart, and again, watch what's going to happen. Look, okay, giving up so soon, having trouble, want us to call you? Well, okay, yeah, I'm having troubles. I have a question. All right, so we can absolutely do that. What's your phone number? So tap in the phone number. See how frictionless this is? 8801972. Okay, we can absolutely do that. Got it. Stand by. We're ringing you now. Okay. So on the back office, either you or one of your staff will have gotten this alert. Someone needs help. Here's the phone number. Give them a call. How cool is that? Statistics have shown that having something simple like this, a little chat interface, will see your sales increase dramatically, because help is right here at hand. And speaking of help, be more than happy to answer any questions you might have on this as a very sweet engagement tool to get started to utilize chatbots in a very helpful, non-invasive client and visitor journey friendly way to help them help you and help your bottom line. And at the end of the day, it's a win-win, which is what it's all about. Thanks for your time and attention. Mark Huber, successonthefly.com, from Vancouver, Canada, over and out.